Hi! Today, I am pleased to present to you my new book, dedicated to the advanced technology of paintless dent repair. This book is the result of many years of experience, thorough research, and countless hours of practice. Title of the book: Paintless Dent Repair, Step by Step. Unfortunately, dents and minor body damage are an inevitable part of operating any vehicle, and traditional repair methods often require significant time and money. My book offers an alternative approach: paintless dent repair. This technology allows for quick and efficient damage repair while preserving the car's original paint. The book covers the following aspects in detail. 1. Basics of paintless dent repair, PDR principles and advantages of the method. History of development and current trends. 2. Tools and equipment, overview of necessary tools and their proper use. Tips for choosing quality equipment. 3. Repair techniques, detailed descriptions of methods and work techniques. Step-by-step instructions for fixing various types of dents. 4. Practical tips and recommendations, how to avoid mistakes and improve your skills. This book is intended for both beginners and experienced technicians looking to expand their knowledge and improve their skills. I believe that the information presented in the book will help you master the technology of paintless dent repair and reach new heights in your professional career. Thank you for your attention. I am happy to answer any questions you may have and look forward to discussing the potential applications of this technology in your practice.